We must find the legendary treasure of Grand Capagers. Come on, Grandpa Pig. It's just way, way over there. It can't be that hard. Dun-dun. And also, the legendary guards are all guarding it. Shruk's guarding it too. Hello, I'm Shruk. Yes. Let's just shoot our laser at him. Okay. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Pollo Loco, the crazy you can taste. Elmo can use the bathroom. Oh, yum! How delicious is Shrek. I do not belong in your belly. Raining Shrek. Oh. Yeah, right. Let's go. Well, I need to take a real cool, relaxing break. Yeah, let's jump in the cooler. We have a lifetime supply of beer. It's gonna be the best day of my life. Yeesh, why do you like some beer so much, you stupid pig? I don't know. It's because it's unhealthy. Ooh, is that orange Fanta? I'm in. 10 million years later. Okay, crew, we're out. Are we really that close? It's like a dream come true. Here we are, piggies. We're here. Aww. Ooh, somebody left the one green cracker for me. It's a bomb! Ooh, look, somebody left a green cracker for me. Well, I'm gonna go eat it. Bing! I'm gonna eat it too.